favorite DMK product, not a staple product, so it has to be a specialty product.
I'm gonna say Super Bright is my favorite. To be honest with you, this is my favorite. Because I feel like a plump, juicy peach when I wake up in the morning after I put it on. I feel like my skin is like just ready to take on the world. You know?
It's a great
full vitamin A, so
great
anti-aging.
nighttime moisturizer. I love Super Bright.
My
love
favorite.
Bright, juicy skin.
Yours?
My favorite would also have to be direct delivery. It's a vitamin C serum. We both like bright skin, healthy. The texture of this vitamin C serum, I've never felt another one like it. You can wear it under makeup. It works flawlessly, daytime, nighttime. I love the serum.
Vitamin C forever.
Bright skin forever.
Yeah!